Foley is a craft that goes way back in the vaudeville days. It was invented by a guy named Jack Foley. When they shoot a film, you just have the production and the dialogue, so they're concentrating on the dialogue, so all the sounds throughout the film are lost. So what we do is we go back and recreate those sounds for drama, intensity, to make it scary, more intense, or the detail in the film. I saw Foley when I was 16 years old, and I wanted to do that for my career. One of the first films that I apprenticed on was Empire Strikes Back. That one was a landmark for me because that got me motivated to do Foley. So I'm just checking this out, and these are these patented horse hoof things here. And then I'll punch for that grass, nurses. Okay. Keep going, keep going. And he goes by camera. Cool. Okay. Okay, so I just laid down the horse footsteps, and now I'm going to lay down the track of the bridle to go with the feet. Okay. We're gonna shoot. You're gonna hear it. It won't sound like that, but check out the screen. Keep rolling a full playback with this is horse, bridle, and Hecker horse snorts. We have to cover the film first. We do all the footsteps of the main characters, whatever lead actors in the film, and then we do the background footsteps. Then we go through a prop pass, and that's all. Anything that's moving on the screen, pretty much we provide a sound for. It's like a big canvas of sound, and we paint different colors and textures and brush strokes. And when you put all those brush strokes and colors together, then you have a full canvas of sound. Foley is a craft, and a lot of people try it and they fail at it because you just have to have certain qualities that are really hard. It's an art form. You have to have, like I said, the timing and a huge creative mind because, like I said, you're thrown in this room, you know, and you got to come up with this stuff. So I have to use the props that I've acquired over the years. It's all organized on the stage. I have different sections of different props, and there's a closet in the back as well. You got shoes and chains, swords, guns, buttons, gadgets, cameras, just anything that you can imagine. Okay, I know this looks like basically it's a green can. And you're probably thinking, how do you get to the weight and all that? But right now, Nurses is gonna give me through the audio gear. It's gonna pitch this down in a lot of octaves, really heavy, real heavy, Nurses. And it's Nurses Gazillion back there. Anyway, and also they obviously have sound effects as well, but this is just a small piece just to demonstrate. Just putting this metal flavors, just one by one, we build these elements. Hundreds of sounds for a scene like this, and these are like little paint brush strokes. This is just because the car's coming off a metal ramp. This is just giving you a metallic, ringy metal ramp sound. If it's Spiderman or it's Arnold Schwarzenegger or whoever it is, whatever that actor is portraying, if he's sneaking, stealthing, or walking big, or he's kicking down a door or whatever, You have to put that energy. That's the main thing in Foley, is that there's a performance, and that's what I try to do when I'm doing Foley.